So, John,
Steve,
here we are again.
it's good to be back with you, mate.
Yeah. So, what we're going to do is we're going to discuss the benefits of Jet A1.
Yeah, our previous video certainly made me think about 100 low-lead AVGAS and whether it's the way forward. So we think we've got a good solution with Jet A1.
Well, I think, look, one of the big advantages with Jet A over AVGAS is that it's more cost effective. It's usually cheaper. It does vary from obviously state to state and airport to airport. But overall, it is cheaper per litre. And you're burning, obviously, if you've got a diesel engine, you're burning half of it as well, usually.
Yeah, so you're not putting cheaper fuel in, but the engine itself is more efficient as well.
And the other, obviously, the great kicker is that you've got zero lead in Jet A1. So there's no lead at all in jet fuel.
Jet A1 kerosene has a higher flash point and lower volatility compared to AVGAS. So that
flash point. Well, that's not a sentence I like to hear in aviation.
No, well,
unless you're a drone pilot in Ukraine or something.
Yeah, or you're trying to start your backyard fire pit one cold Saturday night. Of course.
Yeah, exactly.
But it does reduce the risk. I mean, it's a fact. You want something that's not going to burn as readily if there is an accident. So there's a safety factor with kerosene.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's more widely available as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you can get Jet A1 fuel pretty much anywhere in the world, and AVGAS you can't. So,
well, I actually have. It's interesting. We're seeing a lot of customers that go around the world in their DA62s and DA42s, and of course, the advantage with having an engine running on jet fuel is you can get the fuel anywhere. I mean, let's take Asia, India, anywhere around the globe, you can get fuel. So if you, for example, had a DA62 and you wanted to take the family on a holiday in your new aircraft and say let's head out to Asia rather than going on the commercial airlines, you know that you can fly it over and get the fuel anywhere you want to go.
Yeah, I mean, those guys who swung by Sydney on that round the world trip in the 62, they literally could not have done that trip in a AVGAS powered aircraft.
No, you can't. You have to get the barrels ordered ahead and flown in. So it's very expensive.
Yeah. Jet A1's less prone to contamination and degradation as well, so it doesn't go off as quickly as AVGAS. If you leave your aeroplane sitting for a long time, or if you want to have a barrel of the stuff in the back of your hangar, the shelf life of kerosene is a lot longer.
Well, that's encouraging, isn't it? That's another advantage, and of course it's because it's used by large aviation airlines. It's actually produced. It's easier to produce, and it's done to a higher standard of higher levels of quality control.
It would be, wouldn't it? Yeah.
So,
well, look, I mean, it seems to me that Jet A1 burning engines solve the problem of low-lead AVGAS and have some inherent benefits as well. So that's quite a compelling argument to buy a Diamond aircraft, really.
And it is, and also the next wave is going to be SAF fuel, which is sustainable jet fuel, which is a lot cleaner again, and our product range will be able to run on that fuel, which is future-proofing your investment moving forward.
So, I mean, environmental concerns, whatever you think about that, and aviation, they don't really normally go hand in hand, but maybe this is the silver bullet that fixes that.
Let's hope.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Steve, what a great chat.
Fantastic. Thanks, John. Till next time.
Absolutely.